Hi, I'm Jamie with Coastal Business Supplies. In this video, we are going to walk through how to set up your DK3 mug press. Stay tuned. And we're back. So again, in this video, we are going to be working with our Geo DK3 mug press. This is the perfect mug press for pressing 11-ounce mugs, 15-ounce mugs, certain steins, and certain travel mugs. So let's get started. First, you are going to receive your DK3 as well as a power cord. You're going to want to plug one portion of the power cord into the back of the press. And then the other power cord, you will want to plug into a dedicated wall outlet to get the best voltage out of the machine. Okay, so now that you're all plugged in, there is a power switch on the back of the machine that you will want to press to turn on the press. Okay, so when the press comes to life, you will notice at the very top it says heating. That is what the actual heating element is at the present time for temperature. And then the bottom it says 330 on our current press at this time, and that's going to be your time. It also says open, and that means that this element for your pressure handle is open. If you close it, it's going to start the countdown for timing. Okay, so now we are going to set up our press. First is going to be our temperature. You are going to press TEMP on the machine, the first button you come to. We are at 400 at this present time, so you're going to press down to either set whatever temperature you are desired or the up button. For our settings, we usually work at about 400 degrees with this press. Next, you're going to set temp again, and that's going to take you back to where you see your element readout for temperature. Again, the bottom is going to be your time. So for this, you can press either the up or down arrows to choose your time, and that part is set up. Okay, so with this machine, you can also set presets. You can set presets from 1 to 70, so there's quite a bit of presets that you can set. You can also set a pre-press. So basically, if you want to pre-press your mug for, say, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, you can create that first, and then you can create where it's going to do the next timer to do your countdown for your actual transfer. So, to accomplish this, you will go into the program feature of the machine. You're first going to set your temperature, and then you're going to set your time, and then you can go back to hitting program and then back out to pressing your mug. Okay, so next we're going to set our pressure. So you do have one main closure here to close the press, and you have a pressure knob at the very end. So I'm going to show you how to set your pressure with an 11-ounce mug as well as a 15-ounce mug. When setting your pressure, we highly recommend using a blank mug first instead of a mug that has a transfer on it, because when your transfer is on said mug, it's going to start to transfer. So with our 11-ounce mug, you're going to place inside, and you're going to want to make sure that it's in the boundaries of the actual element. Then you're going to move your knob, and then this is going to be counterclockwise. And usually with an 11-ounce mug as well as a 15-ounce, you want a firm pressure. So that's going to be a little bit of a resistance on the actual mug itself. So that's going to be pretty good right there. And then for a 15-ounce mug, since it does have a wider diameter, you're going to adjust the pressure again just slightly, always making sure that when you place your mug inside your press, you keep it within the boundaries of that element. So if you want to decrease the pressure, you are going to move the knob as well, and then just move it to where you have that firm pressure. And you can wear thermal gloves with this as well, since you are pretty close to that element. So I would just say be careful. Okay, so again, firm pressure on this, and since this does tend to shift, especially since you're using a lot of pressure, I always usually try to place my hand here as well as on the handle when I push down. And then once you do have a mug in place and your sublimation transfer on, when you do push down this handle, the timer is going to start its countdown, and it's going to alert you as soon as the mug is done by beeping. So thank you for watching our video tutorial, and we will see you next time.